trust. Well, they be G's and then look at me before they bust. But when